Next, let's go over styling. So we know how to make shapes. How do we make them look pretty? That's how we're going to use color and stroke. So there are three commands we need to know. We need to know about fill. We need to know about stroke. We need to know about stroke weight. Okay, so let's put stroke right, stroke weight. So let's have, for example, a square, and let's say it's at 100, 100, and it goes 300, 300. Let's as well, you know what? Let's get an arc involved. Arc, let's say that's going to start at 200, 200. It's going to be 300 width, 300 height, and it's going to go from 0 to 143.2. Does that work? Yes. Okay, but it looks... Okay, we should be able to get this to work. So, there's my arc, there's my square. That's a circle. Okay, something weird is happening. What? How is... Okay, oh, okay. Some reason when you give a square four numbers, it turns into a circle. Oh, it's its radius. Yes, okay. That's a whole other thing. Okay. We'll deal with that another time. There's my square, there's my arc. Okay, full. Okay, similar, going to my documentation, search full. And I can see, okay, cool. If I want to fill something, I can say fill the color. So I can just say fill and I can say purple. And then boom, it fills both of them purple. What if I want a different color for my square and my arc? I need to just call the color at a different point. So here I would say fill green, and this is going to fill my square purple, and this is going to fill my arc green. Whatever shape I call after the last color will be that shape. So if I draw another, let's say, rectangle, and I say this is going to be at 500 and 200, and it's going to go 100 and 300. Do we see this? Where is this rectangle? 500, 200. Let's just put this down at 100. Maybe we'll see it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there's our rectangle, and it's green. So it's similar. If I want to now make the rectangle a different color, I can say fill yellow. And there's a nice filled rectangle. But what if we want different colors? We don't only want these ones. There's the beautiful world of RGB. So if I go into Google and I say RGB color picker, you're not seeing my search bar, but you'll see it now. You'll get to this. And now you can come around and you can play around with all these different colors. And you're going to take these three numbers, your red, green, and blue. I'm going to copy that, come back into our editor. And now instead of saying fill purple, I'm going to copy those numbers. I have to give it three numbers, and then it will paint it to whatever color these numbers represent. So let's pick another one. Let's go here, and that's our RGB. Bring that over there, okay? And that's how you can get any color that you can imagine. Okay, what about stroke and stroke weight? Let's find out. So in documentation, stroke. And it's interesting, this is about the color of the outline of our shapes. So let's say I'm gonna do a stroke for my square of brown. And what you actually see is all of them. So the same rules that apply with fill apply with stroke. So every shape, the square and the rectangle and the arc, all have this brown outline. Can't see it very well. That's where stroke weight comes in. So I'm going to have stroke weight. I'm going to put that 20. Boom! We get a very thick stroke weight. We could do the same thing with our stroke with color. So let's say I want a stroke like this. So 11, 2, 2, 4, 1, 0, 3. And he sees. Let's keep going. So, stroke. Oh, hopefully I don't have another one. No, not like that. This is a common mistake. A lot of people, my nose, a lot of people will put, I'm crying. A lot of people will put their colors inside of quotes. Don't do this. This doesn't work. You have to keep the colors outside of quotes. It's only when you do it like this, it needs to be inside of quotes. So now we can see we made our stroke weight 20, and now I did this other stroke, this green, and our arc and our rectangle got filled like that. Now you have all the tools. Combine your shapes and combine your colors with stroke weight and stroke to make whatever shape that you want. Okay, ending here, done.